Hello and welcome to today's video on the relative age effect by myself, Thomas Davis. So to understand the relative age effect, first we must understand how the UK school system works. In the UK, an academic year starts on September the 1st and ends on the 31st of August the following year. This means someone born on the 1st of September has a whole year of mental and physical development over someone born in August, which gives them an advantage academically and especially in sports physically. The relative age effect is broken down into four sections known as quartiles. Quartile 1 through to quartile 4. Quartile 1 babies are those who are born in September, October and November. Quartile 2 babies are those who are born in December, January and February. Quartile 3 babies are those who are born in March, April and May. And finally, quartile 4 babies are born in June, July and August. As this photo shows, there can be a massive disadvantage physically against quartile 4 babies. Research in the UK shows those born at the start of the school year also do better academically and have more confidence. And with this, physical activity being so important, it can also mean smaller children get disheartened and play less sports. If smaller children are missing out on sporting activities, then this has the potential to have some serious consequences for their health in adulthood. Springer E 2010. So how do people deal with the disparity in mental and physicality within educational years? There have been many different attempts to try and combat this, such as AFC Bournemouth Academy, who have recently set up and started grouping children not on academic year, but how they are physically, including height and weight, so that they can compete in a fair environment. This has its positives and negatives. The positives it has is that it creates a competitive environment and a fair opportunity to be looked at properly if they are wanted to be so-called scouted. However, the negative is that some individuals may play against younger children and have mental advantage over them, and they may lose that grit mentality not coming up against the bigger and stronger participants. This is called biobanding, and is said to be that individual differences is the timing of maturation impact both physically and psychosocial development. Boys who mature in advance of their peers are on average taller and heavier from late childhood. Early maturing boys are also tend to experience a more intense adolescent growth spurt, resulting in greater pubertal gains in height, weight and lean mass. Lloyd and Oliver et al. 2017. This is how previously mentioned AFC Bournemouth Academy have started biobanding youth trialists to give them a fair and competitive environment and becoming what we like to call in the UK as scouted. Academically, schools in the UK are aware of this, and frequently in primary schools they test reading age and cognitive abilities such as motor skills. Schools also break down the year groups into key stages. Key stage 1 consists of reception, year 1 and year 2s. Key stage 2 is year 3s, 4s, 5s and 6s, before moving into high school, where key stage 3 is year 7, year 8 and year 9s, before finally moving into Key Stage 4, which also consists of GCSE students in Year 10 and Year 11s. Each of these key stages, as per the national curriculum, has expectations through teacher assessments and SATs. A child with a September birthday may need 85% absolute score to obtain the pass mark, whereas a child with a May birthday may only need 80%. This is just an example of the pass mark. The pass mark would be a standardised score, Catherine E 2010, which shows their expectation of birth dates depending when these are born. Now given this information, how do you feel about this topic? Be sure to leave a comment below and also find references used in the description. Thank you for watching.